Did you know that 90% of your financial success is decided before you even open your bank app? It's not about how hard you work. It's not about your degree. And it's definitely not about luck. The truth is, you have an invisible financial thermostat buried deep in your subconscious. If it's set to struggle, you will stay broke no matter how much you earn. In the next 8 minutes, we are going to do something uncomfortable. We are going to dismantle the poor man's brain and install the wealth mindset. If you've ever felt like you're running on a treadmill, working harder but staying in the same place, this video is for you. Let's unlock the vault. 1. Childhood virus as a money mindset. By the age of 7, your relationship with money was already programmed. Think back. What did you hear about money growing up? Money doesn't grow on trees. We can't afford that. Rich people are greedy. These aren't just phrases, they are psychological viruses. Psychologists call these money scripts. Most people are living out a financial story written by their parents or their environment. If you were taught that money is scarce or evil, your brain will actually protect you from getting it. Your subconscious views wealth as a threat to your values. This is why lottery winners lose everything in 3 years. Their bank account grew, but their money script stayed at 0. 2. Scarcity Trap versus Abundance Loop Overview. There are 2 ways to look at the world, through the lens of scarcity or the lens of abundance. The scarcity mindset sees a fixed pie. If someone else gets a big slice, you think there is less for you. This leads to jealousy, fear, and safe playing. But the wealth mindset sees an expanding pie. Wealth isn't something you take, it's something you create. Look at the digital age. New industries are born every day. Money is literally being printed out of thin air through ideas and value. The scarcity mindset asks, how much can I save? The wealth mindset asks, how much can I provide? One leads to a life of shrinking, the other leads to a life of scaling. 3. Introduction to Science of the RAS. Let's get scientific for a moment. You have a filter in your brain called the Reticular Activating System, or the RAS. Its job is to filter out the billions of bits of data you see every day and only show you what you think is important. If you believe money is hard to find, your RAS will literally hide opportunities from you. You will walk past $1 million idea and never see it. However, when you shift your mindset to value creation, your brain begins to highlight gaps in the market. You start seeing problems that need solving. And every solved problem is a paycheck. You don't need more money, you need a better filter. 4. Introduction to the investor lens. Most people are consumers. They work for hours to buy things that lose value. They trade their life force for a new phone or a pair of shoes. Wealthy people are investors. An investor doesn't just buy stocks. They invest in their greatest asset, their mind. The average millionaire reads 1 non-fiction book a month. The average person watches 30 hours of TV a week. The difference is the cost of entry. Entertainment is cheap and easy. Education is expensive and hard. But remember this, if you think education is expensive, try the cost of ignorance. To change your bank account, you must first change what you put into your head. 5. Introduction to the 24-hour challenge. So, how do we fix this today? I have a 24-hour challenge for you. For the next day, I want you to stop saying I can't afford it. That phrase shuts down your brain. It stops the engine of creativity. Instead, ask yourself, how can I afford it? This one simple shift moves your brain from a state of victim to a state of architect. When you ask how, your brain starts looking for solutions. It might mean a side hustle, learning a new skill, or selling something you don't need. The moment you change your question, you change your life. The journey to wealth is 20% mechanics and 80% mindset. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and join our community of builders. Comment below with the word abundance if you're ready to rewrite your money script today. Because remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.